Not worth it in Pag-
One, two,
So, this is where we are going to perform later.
yung 1 and 2, basic ko na sa audience. Okay, yung third yung gagano. Third.
Later.
Okay, okay.
Hi, my name is Katwa from Nara. I joined Nara since 2017 and I'm happy to be with Nara and Kate.
안녕하세요. 저는 나라의 저비입니다. 반갑습니다. I'm here, batch 1 from Nara since 2012.
Wow.
Together with teacher Tago. On behalf of Nara team, we want to thank you for the opportunity to do what we love most. Performing and dancing, and most of all, through Nara, we were able to deepen our understanding of how vast the culture of Korea is. Congratulations to all our teachers, our staff, and our volunteers for being with us. 감사합니다.
Right, we're down to the next member.
Kahit di mo ko yung dance, basta you know the time how to...
Ba't parang sign language na yung ginagawa? Let's see if they can guess the dance move. It's a dance move, not a sign language.
3, 2...
21! Wrong!
Alright, congratulations to all our raffle.
Congrats, Kara!
Next year. Next year, okay, next year. You need to be here next year. Alright.
Wow. Sana all.
A few moments later.
Enjoy your food. So, this is what we're going to eat for today. Dinner time.
Sabi nila, parang not worth it yung pag-stay. Bigay second part sa amin. Ano ba kaya?
How to eat in social burger. Oh, wow, ang ganda mo dyan. Wow. Catherine, oh.
Ganito, and then you just have to slide it like this, you know?
Paano?
And then,
Bakit may sound?
best friend ko makain. Okay. Susugan agad. sabi mo? Okay lang yun kasi yun yung magiging inspiration natin. Okay lang yun. Wow, nice, nice. Dahil dyan, cheers! Out of 10. Today is social climbing day. Wow! What is this? What is this? What is that? It's food. What art is this? This is food art. I'll show you guys.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Also, meron din kaming mga side dishes. Let's eat. Are you sad? It's beef.
It's okay because I'm full. I ate bonchon shrimp earlier.
Wow. Everyone's busy taking picture of the food. Parang arte ng boses ko. Okay. Wow. This is just a very beautiful skirt. Wow.
Oh my God, malalaban na yung aking camera. I don't know kung makakapag-record ulit ako. Teka mo kamo si Nadine. Nadine ba yun? Ano daw? Nadine. Yan. Kinarma agad. Nadine. Si Liza. Liza Sigera.
Nadine, Liza, sino si Catherine? Ay, Catherine.
Ako Catherine.
Nadine,
Liza.
Catherine ano? Chucky Bernard to. Ay, napapang ko yung ganda. Wow, Nadine daw. Nadine. Liza, Sigera.
Liza Lasinggera.
Ay, mo ko. Kasi kumakain. And for the dessert, we have bingsu.
Pero mahirap kumuha ng driver.
Lamig.
So, ito yung nakuha namin souvenir for December. So, let's see what's inside. Samgyeopsal. Meron ding mga samjang, kim, rice, and ramyun. That's a lot. Yeah, it's a samgyeopsal set. Thank you so much, KCC, for giving us this. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Bye-bye.